Hi there, Namaste. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Vincent, also known as Bhavik. I am logo and branding expert based in India. I'm specialized in logo, branding, social media, website, animation and much more. Let's work together to transform your business into memorable brand. I'm specialized in creating a unified look that not only stand out but also excels in the world of branding. Stay ahead to the latest trends. I have successfully completed over 14,000 plus orders on Fiverr until 2023 and have worked with almost every industry and various buyers from all across the globe. My top client list includes Google, Fiverr internal team and other Fortune 500 companies. My journey reflects my commitment to quality and service. I approach each project with passion and dedication to provide the best service possible, which gives me more confidence in every task I undertake. So what are you waiting for? Let's connect. I'm just a message away.